joining us now, Indiana Congressman Mike Pence. He is the chairman of the House Republican Conference, which means the congressman is in charge of overseeing the Republicans' response to the Democrats' plan. Sorry, Mike, Congressman, I was just trying to let him know what it is you do. Good to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.
The president has said, he said a minute ago, this will be his Waterloo. For the Republicans, though, if we're really, really honest about this is an opportunity to hit, explain to the American people you don't want this, get the numbers down, and regain some control, right?
No, absolutely not, Shep. Look, it's part of the old parlor game here in Washington, D.C. If you can't confront the argument with facts, go ahead and question the other side's motives. And, you know, I think I heard the phrase in the last segment, Republicans are playing games. You know, can we just back off for a second? Look, if the Democrat plan passes, the president's plan passes with its massive government takeover of health insurance, tens of millions of Americans will lose their health insurance, and millions of Americans will probably lose their job.
Well, the White House says that's an absolute lie, Congressman. To say that tens of thousands of people would lose their health insurance and that millions could lose their jobs, the White House says that that is a lie.
Yeah, I didn't say tens of thousands, I said tens of millions. The Lewin Group estimated 114 million Americans would likely lose the health insurance that they have with their current employer if the government introduces a government-run option. And come on, Shep, you know, when I'm back in Indiana and talk about this at town hall meetings, every head in the room is bobbing. People know in this economy, an economy that has shed 2 million jobs since they passed their stimulus bill, there's no small business owner in the country who, the day they open up a government-run health insurance plan, isn't going to look at their employees and say, look, I love you, I'm trying to keep the lights on and the doors open here, so you know what, we're not offering health insurance here anymore. Call Uncle Sam and get it over there. That's just common sense.
Tell us about a better plan.
Well, a better plan would be to bring real competition into the system, for instance, by allowing what are called association health plans, where employers could pool employees on a nationwide basis instead of living under state-by-state regulation today. Republicans have carried that forward for years. That's utterly rejected by Democrats. You know, there are health savings accounts. Medical malpractice liability is a major cause of the rising cost of health care in this country. But again, on all of those issues, one after another, Democrats rejected each effort to strengthen our free market economy or bring about tort reform. This is really just about launching a massive government takeover of health care and paying for it with about $1 trillion in tax increases. It's not about games. Your last guest from the White House said it's about the American people. It's on behalf of the American people that Republicans are going to vigorously make the case against this disastrous health care plan.
Well, there you have it, the two sides. Congressman Mike Pence, Republican of Indiana. Great to see you. Thanks very much.